Hello all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Hexaware Technologies Limited is hiring through us. So it is hiring for graduate engineer trainee, and let us see who are eligible for this notification. So coming to the eligibility criteria, BE BTech, almost from every branch, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, ETC, EIE, ICE and MCA candidates from 2021 batch are all eligible for this notification. So coming to the CGPA or percentage, you should either have 60% or above, or 6 plus you should have throughout in 10th, 12th and graduation, or even if you have done your post graduation, even in that you should have, and no active backlogs. And now let's talk about desired skills. Good communication skills, fluent in spoken and written English, team player and interpersonal relationship abilities, high level of energy, right attitude and the ability to thrive in a fast paced environment, should be able to multitask, ability to prioritize and manage project related activities, possess openness, reliability, punctuality and flexibility at given tasks. So now let's talk about the main one, job responsibilities. As a member of our technology teams, you should be passionate around solving business problems through innovation and engineering practices, gain deep knowledge in programming languages, program design and development procedures, participate as directed in the complete software development lifecycle from requirement gathering to deployment of the product, design, develop and troubleshoot moderate to complex software applications, get associated in development, testing, support of existing or new software applications and solutions, undertake any other assignments for which may be allocated to you from time to time, cultivate strong working relationships with co-workers. So come to the salary offered, it is 3.5 LPA and the stipend for the first 6 months, it is 15,000 rupees per month. And there is a service agreement over here which is for 2 years. And the job location, it would be in 3 locations, Pune, Mumbai or in Chennai. And coming to the interview rounds, first one is online test which is aptitude plus domain knowledge 78 minutes. And next communication test which is for 45 minutes. And next technical interview which is virtual interview in Microsoft Teams, and the last one is HR interview, virtual interview in Microsoft Teams. So there is a clear note over here, all rounds are eliminated rounds. So for example, if you are not being called for second round, then you are eliminated in the first round itself. So all the best guys, there will be a tough competition for you. If you are meeting this eligibility criteria, I will be keeping the link in the description below. Just go there, click on the link, come to this page and apply for your interview process. So all the best guys, we are coming up with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.